Canton Fair, the best trade show if you're serious about sourcing. But let's be real, traveling to China isn't always easy. So here's some good news, you don't actually have to. Most people don't realize the official Canton Fair app lets you connect with every factory attending the fair, even if you're not physically there. And no, it's not just for attendees. There's a feature called Canton Fair 365 that keeps everything open year-round. Basically, it's like having the Canton Fair in your pocket anytime. Alright, let's see why this app might actually be your new secret weapon alongside Alibaba. So, what makes this app stand out? Let's do a quick comparison. First, you can see a factory's attendance record. If they've shown up to multiple Canton Fairs, that's a big trust signal. Second, Canton Fair app doesn't gatekeep contact info. Alibaba locks you in their chat. Here, you can just grab the email or even find them on WeChat directly. Straight to the source, no middleman. Third, it even has 360 degrees VR booth tours. You can literally walk through their booth like you're there. Yeah, from your couch. Alright, that's the theory. Now let's actually use it. Step 1's easy. Let's get the app. Search for Canton Fair and download it. If you're a desktop person, there's also a web version, but I'll stick with the app for now. Once you open it, you'll see 4 icons at the bottom. The first one is for live events, useful if you're attending in person. But today we're diving into the second tab, 365. See that line? Stay connected all year round? That's your virtual sourcing door. Before you can start messaging suppliers, you'll need an account. Setup's quick. Next to your avatar, hit register. Choose your role, overseas buyer, domestic buyer or purchasing agent. I'm choosing overseas buyer. Then fill in your name, company, country and sourcing intent. Tap submit and boom, you've registered. Alright, you're officially in. Now, let's start sourcing something real. If you already have a product in mind, this next step will save you a ton of time. Now, see this camera icon on the top right of the search bar? Tap that. Let's upload this beautiful world-first stainless steel water bottle. And there it is, a full list of stainless steel bottle suppliers. You get MOQ, specs, materials, and origin all straight from verified exhibitors. Quick, visual, and clean, just the way sourcing should be. Alright, maybe you're not sure what to source yet? No worries, this is where the app gets fun. Head back to the 365 tab. You can search by product or supplier and even set your focus categories. Let's search for jackets. This one looks nice, MOQ 1000. Yeah, we're definitely negotiating that. Wait, network technology in the name? That sounds like a trading company. Yep, confirmed. It says industry and trade. That's a red flag for us. We want factories, not traders. Now, scroll down. Here's where it gets interesting. You can check how many times they've attended the fair. This one, 7 out of the last 10 sessions. Pretty solid. But since it's a trading company, the product range is all over the place. So our goal now, find a real manufacturer with real contact info. Before you can message anyone, there's one small unlock step. See the card that says, want to contact supplier? Tap complete. It'll ask for 3 quick things. First, select which phases you'll attend. Second, choose your sourcing focus. Third, fill in your company info. No, they don't actually verify it too strictly. Then you'll get an email, click it, done, you're verified. Alright, now we've got full access, time to hunt real factories. Let's test it with something classic, ceramics. Search ceramics, lots of options. Let's check Guangzhou, Garbo International Trading. Not great, another trading company. Now here's Huatai Ceramics from Hunan. They've got factory photos on their page. Their business type says manufacturer. Perfect. They've attended every Canton Fair out of the last 10. Impressive. All right, let's dig deeper. Now scroll to their products. Looks solid. I'll play their short video. Okay, 8 minutes isn't short, but at least it's real. Now go to contact info. Since we're verified, the lock's gone. Now you can see it all: mobile, office phone, email, even tax code. If you just want to send a formal inquiry, email them. But if you're serious, copy that mobile number, open WeChat, paste it, and search. Now here we go. Ava from Hunan. Her profile matches everything. She's got a factory video in her WeChat moments. And no, factory is not on fire. That's just Chinese New Year fireworks. All right, adding her old WeChat. Now we're building real connections. Next, here's one of my favorite parts: virtual booth tours. Tap their booth information, it'll open a 360-degree VR view in your browser. This factory is clever. Instead of showing their trade booth, they uploaded a full factory tour. You can see aerial shots, the entrance, the showroom, and the production floor. That's the kind of transparency real manufacturers show. Now, if they're proud to show their factory, they're probably the real deal. Now let's try one more. Wireless earbuds. Okay, not all listings look great. Oh, this one, let's check. Shenzhen's LED base world. Looks great. It has a factory vibe, clean layout and short videos. Copy the phone number, search on WeChat. Found Selena. Her account matches the brand. She's posted multiple product videos. That's a good sign. But no factory footage. So, could be a wholesaler, not a true manufacturer. Lesson here: always check for factory footage and attendance record. And remember, don't waste time on the in-app chat. Most suppliers don't check it often, but they're on email every day and even more active on WeChat. Alright, that's your full walkthrough on finding real factories through the Canton Fair app. But remember, no matter how good it looks online, nothing beats being there in person. Meeting suppliers face to face at their booth, that's where trust is built. If you're heading to Canton Fair, go to the app's main menu and download the buyer guide PDF. Save it, it'll make your life easier once you're there. And if you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe. We'll be covering more Canton Fair videos all season. And if you're paying suppliers overseas, check out World First. We help 1.2 million businesses move money globally, fast, secure, and simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.